So a lot of y'all been asking me, you know what I'm saying, how do I store my sneakers? Where do I get this display case from? Where do I get the lag shells from? And in today's video, I'm gonna answer all those questions for you guys to help you guys out storing your sneaker collection, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. This is a bit different than what we're used to seeing. You know, you should see me doing videos about shop drops, restocks, reviews, no feats and stuff like that. But something I kind of gotten away from recently is, you know, helping you guys out as far as preserving and making sure your sneaker collection is G to G on a daily basis, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. Make sure you follow up with a huge like on today's video. Y'all know the likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow. All right, guys, like I said, man, how to store your sneaker collection. I have three very dope ways. And number one, man, number one that I have to put on to you guys, I know a lot of people have been asking me, man, how do you get the drop front containers? Where do you find them? And it's a bunch and a variety of different places to get these drop front containers. But the one specifically that I got mine from is the Container Store. You know, recently, you know, the price did start to go up, inflation and stuff like that. But I remember back in the day, you can get 6 cases for like 50 bucks. Now, if you want 6 cases, you're gonna spend about $70, $80. But it is what it is. If you do have the extra money to spend as far as, you know, boosting up your sneaker room or whatever you want to call it, then I would definitely recommend you guys go to the Container Store. But there's a lot of different places that does provide drop front containers. This ain't a sponsored video. This is literally what I have. You guys see behind me is drop front containers from the Container Store, which I'm linked down below. But there's a variety of different places that sell these drop front containers. If I can find any other of those, I would definitely link those down below in the description box. Like I said, it's not a sponsored video. This is something I have been doing for the last, what, 7-8 years of me collecting sneakers, man. And so as you guys see behind me, man, something that I would definitely say as far as putting them in drop front containers is making sure you dust them things off. They get super dusty over time because they do leave, you know, spaces for ventilation, so they're not yellowing as fast. Of course, your sneakers will get that, you know, normal wear and tear, the oxidation, the yellowing and stuff like that. But it's 100% fact that if you put these joints in the sneaker container, that it will, you know, in some sort of way preserve them longer than normal, man. So go ahead and check it out, my drop front containers. Sometimes I leave them open, sometimes I, you know, close them up. It just all depends on what is going on, what's the weather like, what's the temperature in the crib, stuff like that. But here goes my entire drop front containers. I think it is like 122 if I'm not mistaken. If you guys can do quick math, go ahead and comment down below and I'm gonna cash out y'all $50, man. And I would also say it's super dope as far as having the drop fronts, because when you got sneakers like this, you know, a black cat forward is nothing but nubuck, suede around the entire sneaker, you're not gonna get that, you know, lint magnet as you would have it if the sneaker is out. So that's why I always say, man, drop front containers is my go-to way. They do tend to get a little bit expensive, so it's not the most, you know, economically smart way to store your sneakers. But if you got the extra funds, like I said, life ain't that serious. It ain't about just shoes. But if you do got the extra money, go ahead and invest in you some drop front containers. I'm gonna leave a couple links down below in the description box. All right, so we had to switch up the camera angle real quick because this transitions perfectly into the second best way to store your sneakers, and that is the lovely lag shelves. Now look at these beautiful lag shelves that literally in almost every video somebody asking me where do I get them from, or even on Instagram like, yo, where did you find those lag shelves? And these specifically are from IKEA. So when I was living in Germany about 5 years ago, I made a trip up to IKEA in my little 1996 BMW, grabbed I think I had 3 of these. The other one is downstairs in my other man cave. And I was like, you know what, let me put my sneakers on there as far as a sneaker display, me doing YouTube. But it actually came out super dope. And I need to hit up IKEA again to get more like shelves, because I do want to transition more sneakers from my sneaker boxes into the like shelves, giving it a better look. And it's just a better way to actually store them and come into your sneaker room and look how dope they are. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Check them out, man. You got a couple of the heaters on there. You know, this is my top 10 or some of my top 10 pickups of the year from 2023. And if you ever want to categorize yours like that, or put like nothing but Jordan 1s, Jordan 5s, Jordan 4s, whatever you do like, this is something you could definitely do with your like shelves that I purchased from IKEA. But I know it's a bunch of different stores that sell these like shelves. So if you know of any more, man, please let your boy Adventures know. But these aren't that expensive. I think I paid like 60 bucks for one. So I think I paid like what's quick math, 180 for 3 or something like that. And I don't think it was half bad as far as what you're getting. You can also install these into the wall to where they're not sitting on the ground. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick. You know, so let me get the camera, bro. We're gonna do this raw and uncut, man. Check it out, man. Check it out, bro. It just looks so clean, so neat. So you can fit like, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sneakers, and you can bolt this onto the wall. And if you wanted to do it like that, me personally, I just kept it on the ground. It is what it is. I like it like this, but go ahead and shop with you some like shelves. I got these from IKEA, but again, you don't have to go with IKEA. Let me know where you get yours from. And guys, this is the third and final way to store your sneakers. And it is really, really simple. And a lot of people probably gonna be like, yo, you for real? Yes, I am dead serious, because this is a dope way as well. And that is keeping them inside of your sneaker boxes. Now these right here, most of the pickups that I did get from 2023, and I didn't have any other space on my like shelves. I didn't have any space on or in my, drop front containers. So it had to stay in the sneakers. And that is probably one of the best ways to keep your sneakers fresh. You know what I'm saying? I mentioned the lint magnets and the dust magnets and stuff like that. If you don't want to get all the dust, the lint and stuff like that, you keep them in your shoebox, bro. So go ahead and grab one of these things, man. I think this is a pair of foam posits right here, but literally keep them in here. Have that paper over the sneaker, and they're gonna be looking A1, bro. Still gonna be looking A1. Have you left them in there? But again, another con to storing your sneakers inside of your sneaker boxes is that if you have like a suede or weird material on your sneaker to where it might bleed onto that paper, or vice versa. The paper might bleed onto your kicks. So that is a con to storing them in the sneaker boxes. But all in all, it's still a very, very dope, reliable way. And again, man, make sure rotating or shuffling them out, because you got to make sure these shoes get a little bit of oxygen, man. Because I do believe that keeping them in the boxes without Ziploc bags might make them, age a little bit faster, rather than you have them on a like shelf or in the drop front containers. Yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video, man. Quick little 3 tips for you guys as far as storing your sneakers. If you guys have any other ways, man, please comment them down below. I'm very interested in knowing how you guys rocking out in your sneaker man caves. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any videos that we do drop. And make sure you followed up with a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way. Let's get this up to 500 likes. I know we can do it, man. Again, man, I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for tapping in. And all that's being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.